Hey, I heard y'all giving away some LSU tickets.
Oh, you heard right, sir. We're giving away tickets to every home game this year.
How do I get in on that?
How do you get in? Well, I don't need your arm. I don't need your liver. I don't need your firstborn. What we got to do is walk right over to our ticket/treasure box right over here. You don't need to do a chicken dance or tell me funny jokes. All you got to do is put your name, phone number right here, drop it in the box, and we'll be drawing some winners 7 different times. You get 2 tickets per game at the home LSU games in Tiger Stadium.
Is there anything else I need to do other than enter right here?
Before we do all that, don't send me a pen pal, don't text me, don't send me an email. Like our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube, or in fact, like our TikTok. Also, love our Instagram because we're doing stuff every day and posting all about the winners for these LSU tickets this year.
Oh, that's awesome. All right.
Easy enough?
Easy enough.
Just like that, folks at home, come in, sign up, like and subscribe, and get your free LSU tickets to Death Valley this year.